Which option? A.
George will follow.
Okay. Will. Will can be considered as can. Will is an auxiliary verb. Can, an auxiliary verb. You know, modal verbs in English, modal verbs?
Yeah.
These are called auxiliary verbs. So you can change Mary with will, the place of will. You can place it to the beginning of sentence. It'll be, will George follow Mary? Will George follow Mary?
Yes, you can say what?
But what?
Ama burada düz cümle değil mi? George will follow Mary.
Results dediği.
Hani bir auxiliary verb geliyor zaten. Daha
Phrasal
verb
verb
geliyor ya.
dönüşüyor. O yüzden A olmaz ki.
Food result bence de. Food result.
Result. Can we apply this rule to the first option? George will follow Mary. Can we apply it? Can we do it? Yes, we can. But this, like if we analyze the structure, and if we use the symbols, it'll be like noun phrase. Why noun phrase? Because there's a proper noun, George. Noun phrase, correct? And then will, auxiliary word, correct? Follow. Follow word phrase with Mary, because Mary is the object of follow. So, noun phrase, auxiliary word, and then word phrase. So let's move will and use it at the beginning. Okay. Will George follow Mary? It'll be auxiliary word because will is at the beginning, right? And then noun phrase because George is after will, correct? It's a proper noun. And then you have word phrase. Got it now?
Yeah.
Alright. So, what about 5? You know, we have like syntactic symbols like VB, NP, or just pro, art, okay? And S. So here, when we complete the empty slots or the empty places, the first one will be Mary is proper noun. So PN, proper noun, PN. Can is an auxiliary verb, so just write AUX, box. And then D, boy together. D with boy, the boy is noun phrase, but the article boy is noun. Okay. And then noun phrase. A girl is also like the boy is a noun phrase, is NP, but a article girl noun. Whereas soul you, the word with its object, it is a word phrase, correct? So soul, word, and you is a noun phrase, pronoun, correct? So there is a noun phrase within word phrase. Did you get it? A noun phrase within word phrase. Because word phrase, which is you, is the object of the main verb so. Got it? Right. So you need to use the symbols in analyzing the structure. 6. Got it so far? Is it clear? Any question? Any confusion? Confusion? Are you confused? No? So you mean I can ask you a question about it?
Yeah.
Alright, that's clear. Let's see. Question 6. In question 6, in the analysis of the syntax of a language, which of the following is not correct based on the all and only criterion? All and only. What do we mean by this? All and only. All and only. Yeah, what do we mean by this criterion? What do we mean by all and only criterion? Yeah?
Only criterion
It'll be better if you put it in English words.
Diyor ki yani bu şekilde işte bu kriterler şeyde olması gerekiyor. Mesela biz diyoruz ya işte bir şeyden sonra isimden önce şey gelince preposition gelince preposition phrase oluyor. Mesela örnek vermiştik işte yani bu oluyor birçok şeyde oluyor birçok örnekte bu oluyor ama hepsinde oluyor mu? Hayır. İşte bu and, all ve only şey demek ne olur hepsinde uyması gerekiyor. Yani bir örnek verince onun bütün cümlelerde bütün örneklerde hiçbir şeyin olmaması gerekiyor. Yani general rule olmayan.
Okay, yes. More or less the same. Think about like in the book, you got this example. Near London. Near London. This is a prepositional phrase, correct? Why? Because near is a preposition. Near is a preposition. And then London is a proper noun. London is a proper noun. So based on this analysis, can we say prepositional phrase rewrites as preposition plus a proper noun? Can we say this? Or just noun? Or just noun? Preposition plus a noun? No. Why? Because we can say near London, but we cannot say near girl. We have to use an article, correct? You have to say either near the girl or near a girl. So the first rule does not apply to all samples, patterns used in English, whereas the second rule will apply to any structures that is suitable for this rule. So this is the all and only criterion. Is it correct? Is it clear? You can check your book. You check it. Syntactic rules. Okay. That means our analysis must account for all the grammatically correct phrases and sentences, and only those grammatically correct phrases and sentences in whatever language we're analyzing. So, if we analyze sentences, the sentence, the structure that describe our rule or that is compatible with our rule should be grammatically correct. Okay, just this kind of structures should be compatible with this rule. And in that case we can say it has all and only criterion. Is it clear? As if it is not clear. Clear, right? In English, we put a preposition near before a noun London to form a prepositional phrase near London, and this is the only rule. This is not correct. Yes, it is not correct. Because we said if we say this, then we have the problem. We cannot say this is the only rule. It is the only rule because you can say preposition plus a noun, but whereas you can use another structure, different structure, preposition, article, and a noun.
So the question is which is not correct and the A is not correct, so maybe we can say this.
Okay, we'll check the other options and then we'll decide about it. Letter B. A rule of the grammar to create structures involving a preposition and a noun will end up producing ill-formed phrases like near tree, window, market, and asterisk. Yes, that's true. I mean, the question, the answer is true. So if you just create a rule, and the rule says, okay, preposition plus noun rewrites as prepositional phrase. That will be correct? No, because if we say preposition plus a noun is a prepositional phrase, then we will have ungrammatical patterns like near tree or with dog. We cannot say with dog. We have to say, we should say with the dog or with a dog. So this is not correct. We put a preposition before a noun phrase, not just a noun. Okay? Okay, not just a noun. London is a noun. Ball is a noun. Whereas the boy is noun phrase because it consists of article plus a noun. So preposition, noun phrase, article plus noun. Okay? A noun phrase can consist of a proper noun, London, a pronoun, you, or a combination of an article, a, d, with a noun, three, and all. So this is noun phrase. Noun phrase, proper noun, Ali. Okay? Pronoun, he. Article plus a noun, did, boo, did, dog. Alright? A prepositional phrase is formed with a preposition followed by a noun. So, prepositional phrase is formed with a preposition followed by a noun. There is a preposition and then a noun. Not just a noun, but noun phrase. That's what we talk about. If you write rules for the creation of well-formed structures, we have to check that those rules, when applied logically, won't also lead to ill-formed structures. Okay?